How you doing? So this is a update on my Muscadine grapevine. This is its second year growing, and I'm gonna tell you, it's just sprouting really crazy. It's been a pleasure taking care of it this year. So what's been happening now? It had this growth spurt just in the last month. Because before it was only yay tall. After when it woke up out of winter sleep, it didn't have hardly any. It didn't have any stems or anything. All of this growth is from here, from this point up. So there's last year and all of this, the leaves, and even this here, this end here, that's going out this way. This is all this year. So what's going on with it now, it's getting these tendrils. So this is why I added in this long 4-foot gardening stake. It's got these tendrils here and it's starting to wrap itself around. So I put that in to help guide it up. I had planned on already having it move to where I'm gonna be growing my grapes, but that's been delayed for a while. So I'll bring the camera in so you can see where it's connected with the tendrils. You can see them starting to wrap around. This one wrapped around on its own. The other three, I kind of guided them towards the gardening stake. So in this second year, let me set the camera back down. So with this second year of growth, I haven't had any of the mildew or leaf rot that I had last year. I haven't had to use any neem oil. I used watered down neem oil last year. I haven't had to do any weeding. I haven't noticed any weeds in there. I still need to do some more studying on the Muscadine grape to figure out when it'll start producing. I don't have any plans on selling. I'm just producing them for myself. So what I have added to my collection now, of course I've had this Muscadine grape now. This is in its second growing season. Lemon, pear, apple, and also I think I'm gonna be successful at rooting my black mulberry this year. The neighborhood kids are out playing, which is good. So just wanted to share that with you. And so that's my Muscadine grapevine. It's really strong. I can't wait to get it transferred to its permanent home and it turns into a long grapevine. This is the first time I've tried to grow grapes. All right. Have a nice evening.